Very good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. So, after the celebration of a Deepavali, now let us continue our study also. Today we are going to start chapter 6 in geography, that is human resources. So, before starting the chapter, let us learn about some good manners. Dear students, always wait your turn. Use polite words, listen carefully, cooperate with others, show your appreciations and give your compliments. These are the good manners. Now let us continue our chapter 6 part first in geography, that is human resources. So what are the human resources? Dear students, peoples are a nation's greatest resource. Nature's bounty becomes significant only when people find it useful. It is people with their demands and abilities that turn them into resources. Hence, human resource is the ultimate resource. Healthy, educated and motivated people develop resources as per their requirements. Human resources, like other resources, are not equally distributed over the world. They differ in their educational levels, age and sex. Their numbers and characteristics also keeps changing. Now, populations and its measures. All the inhabitants living in a particular area together make up the population of that area. Understanding and measuring the population of an area is important as it helps government make important decisions like resources and budget allocations. So, two important measures of populations are explained. First is population distribution and second is population density. So, what is a population distribution? Population distribution refers to how the population of an area like a country is spread across its various parts like states, districts, cities and regions. Population is unevenly distributed across the world. And what is population density? It is the number of people living in a unit area, such as 1 square kilometer. It shows how crowded area is. This value can be obtained by dividing the population of a region by its total area. For example, the population density of a place A is 100 people per square kilometer and place B it is 150 people square kilometer. So, population of place A will be 200 because area is 2 square kilometer and place B population will be 150 because area is 1 square kilometer. So, this is the difference between the population density and population distribution. Now, what is the distribution of population? Dear students, the way in which people are spread across the earth surface is known as the pattern of population distribution. More than 90% of the world's population lives in about 30% of the land surface. And the distribution of population in the world is extremely uneven. Some areas are very crowded and some are sparsely populated. The crowded areas are South and Southeast Asia, Europe and Northeastern North America. Very few people live in high latitude areas, tropical deserts, high mountains and areas of equatorial forest. Many more people live north of the equator than the south of the equator. Almost 3/4 of the world's people live in two continents, that is Asia and Africa. Okay, tell me, India belongs to which continents? It belongs to Asia, and Asia is the largest continent in the world, and second largest is Africa. Okay, 60% of the world's people stay in just 10 countries. Imagine how many populations are there. 60% of the world's people stay in just 10 countries, and all of them have more than 100 million people. So this is the world population. What is the density of population? Population density is the number of people living in a unit area of the Earth's surface. It is normally expressed as per square kilometer. The average density of population in the whole world is 51 persons per square kilometer. And South Central Asia has the highest density of population, that is followed by East and Southeast Asia. Did you know, dear students, that in India the average density of population is 382 persons per square kilometer. How many? 382 persons per square kilometer. Now you can see here a diagram on your screen that at the top of the graph it is written the Japan, then Russia, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Brazil, Indonesia, USA, China, India. These are the continents, and downward is the population in million. So which one graph is at the high? It is China, then after India, then after USA. So that's why it has been said that India is the highest populated country, means the population of China is very high, then after India comes. So this is a chart. Make a chart in your notebook and learn it also carefully. Okay. Soon we will meet in the next part of this chapter. Till then, take care. Goodbye.